Ready? Good morning from Tbilisi, Georgia. We are on our way to a bathhouse.
We are going to have our own private room where we sit in a hot sulfur bath and then lay on a marble table where an attendant scrubs us down, exfoliates our entire body, and then completely washes us.
We're opting for a slightly more expensive experience and private so that we can bring you along with us. Traditionally, this is done in the nude and with the locals.
We're just gonna go along with whatever they tell us to do. This is our bus stop.
What's really cool about the buses in this city is that you can actually tap your card to pay. You don't have to fiddle with anything. As long as you have that tap feature, all you have to do is hold your card up to the screen and it automatically takes out the amount.
It's like 1.5 Joe.
And it does work with Google Maps, which is how we know where we need to go. Alright, bus stop.
To get across the busy street, there's all these underground passageways, and they've got little shops and food. This is a potato pie. It was 1 Joe, and it's delicious.
I didn't know they pulled over. Yeah,
Vamos, no, vamos, guys, save me.
These little domed buildings are a perfect indication that we are in the correct place because all of the bathhouses are actually located right below. These are the vents. As the story goes, many years ago, the king of Georgia was hunting in this area and actually discovered the sulfurs below, and that's why he decided to build Tbilisi where it is today. The city name actually stands for warm place. At one point in time, there was over 60 bathhouses in this area. Today, there are only 5 left.
Okay, thank you. Hot sulfur bath.
Well, we just walked right in and got our own private room. Let's show you real quick. It's fairly standard for every room to come with a hot bath, a stone slab where you get your massage, a shower, and a toilet. Yeah, what's the price of Kisi? How much?
10 scrub, 10 massage.
Okay.
Okay.
Can we do massage and Kisi?
Yes.
Thank you very much. So the Kisi scrub is just the exfoliating scrub, but we opted to add the massage because it's really not that much extra. So even if it's decent, then you know it's a massage for a couple bucks. The reason we chose this particular bathhouse is because it was the one our host recommended, and what little research I did online, this was like the middle of the line. Not the super expensive, but also not the lowest of the low. If you choose to pay extra for your experience, a lot of rooms will come with a sauna as well as a cold pool. I'm pretty happy with the one we have though. From everything I had read, a lot of the private rooms averaged around 100 Joe, so 50 is actually very cheap. I'm not sure if that's a good or bad thing, but I'll take it. One more thing that we had read online, apparently the water in these places is only changed once a week. We have no idea what day of the week that is, so I will say our water does not look overly dirty, but some of them can be questionable.
Though they say the water's only changed once a week, this water is constantly flowing. It's gonna overflow. It replenishes. You'll be all right. It is so hot. It is so hot.
The average water temperature here is between 45 and 50 degrees Celsius. How are you doing that? Not a relaxing experience.
I'm having a great time.
Hello. I'm gonna put this camera outside and just use the GoPros because I don't want to get this baby wet.
¿Qué pasa?
Yeah.
Your name?
Yes, thank you.
Nice to meet you. How's it feel?
I feel good.
Yeah?
Yeah. Oh, very good.
What in the world? You just cracked the sternum.
More of that.
Really?
Yeah.
Bro,
Look at that.
Yeah,
It's
look.
working.
Gonna feel like a baby's bottom.
Yeah. That felt great.
Video. I love you, baby.
And if it's quite alright,
Hey, little baby.
I am so nervous.
1, 2, 3.
Oh man, that was worth ever coming. That was so good. That was so much fun.
Our male attendant is leaving and now a female has to come in. I'm so nervous.
We do have a male for male and a female for female. So.
Yeah. You're not ready?
Change? Only change?
Oh my goodness. That was worth whatever it is we're paying for it. I don't know how it gets much better. Well, that was an experience. Oh my goodness. I don't think I got rubbed down quite as hard, so
No.
Nathan got a more thorough experience.
My guy was great. Also, if you're bony like me, this is a marble bed. Not a smooth marble either.
I think we get to soak a little bit longer. No one's really said anything,
And
so
then we're gonna take a shower.
yeah.
I don't know what else there is to do in this city, but if you missed the bathhouses, you missed everything.
I'd like to say that was quick and painless, but it was not painless. And not all that quick either. This is like the historic part of town. We have to take a moment and just explore. We don't really have much else going on today. There is something that we want to eat in a little while and show you. Obviously, it wouldn't be a SOSAS at Sunrise episode if we didn't. But this is the cute part of town that we want to show you for a minute. This is the really fancy bathhouse that we did not pay for. You can only imagine.
If you're not sure which of the 5 bathhouses you want to go to, you can walk in, see the prices, see the rooms, and then make your decision.
We're gonna try and make our way up the hill and get a better view of the bathhouses from above. This is gorgeous. Fresh juice, honey, fresh juice. Hello.
1.5 of pomegranate.
Thank you.
Oh man.
Very dark.
Ooh, tart.
Wine?
Do you have wine in a cup?
5 lakh.
5 Larry. That's good. That's okay. Wow.
Thank you.
Nella, non muoio,
I
no.
got it.
Wow.
Khinkali, no?
That's good.
We're just walking through an alleyway right now. These are people's like front porches.
What I find hilarious is Amber's pomegranate juice was 5 Lari, and my homemade wine is also 5 Lari. This is good. It's white wine.
I wish I would have went with your choice. I don't know why I expected it to be sweet.
It's very tart, sour, but really good. It's fresh.
Yeah, it's fresh. You saw how fresh it was. All right. Trying to go up there. Whose idea is it to always climb up?
Yours. This is totally your idea. Absolutely, 100% this was your idea.
I mean, when in Tbilisi.
I'm not complaining.
I am.
You are the only person that complains about your own ideas.
It looked good from down below. This fortress was completely free to walk up to, and we just got a little history lesson from a very nice guide along the way. Nathan will reiterate everything.
So although they call this a fortress, apparently the Georgian people never fought. This was built for propaganda. It's along the Silk Road, and in order to have the caravanners, the merchants, stop here, they built this fortress so that they could trade and have visitors. Kind of like a tourist attraction, but not.
Just a collecting point, right?
Stopping point, yeah.
Stopping point, yeah.
Cool.
I don't know how well you can tell behind me, but these are stairs. You want to film me going up? I've got a feeling you won't like that.
Many of you know how much I love heights.
Good job. That was a little sketchy, wasn't it?
I'm fine.
Honestly, they just let people walk all over this. There's no railing. This is crazy. This is kind of one of those things where if you're afraid of heights, you might not like it. There's I would say most people that are up here right now are not having a good time. This is incredible. Wow. That was great. That was really beautiful. We don't see churches like that very often. We're gonna make our way back to the bus stop and then head to lunch. That's the bus we wanted. Boo! We were waiting across the street. That's okay. One thing that Nathan and I have become better at is crossing like a local. You just go.
The fun part with those blue buses are the stops aren't very frequent and you have to just tell them when you want to get off. But the driver always understands, next stop. Otherwise, they'll just keep going. You also need to flag them down. So if you see your bus, wave at them, and maybe if they're full, sometimes they don't stop anyway, but flag them down. The restaurant that we chose for lunch seems very authentic. It's underground. I think it's open 24/7 and it's very affordable. Been there one time before and that's why we're going back. These are Khinkali, Georgian dumplings. You can get them with all kinds of different stuffing. We got meat because the meat ones have a broth on the inside. So what you do is you take them, pick them up by this little stump. These are hot. Take a little bite, and then you have to drink the broth on the inside. Oh, it's so good. It's so hot. I really don't know what kind of meat this is, but it's got a lot of parsley in it too. The dough is pretty good. And then when you're done, you have this stump left, and apparently you don't need that. It's not bad if you eat it all together, but you can set that off to the side and waste it. It's okay. Now we know there's a lot more to see, do, and eat in this city, but these are the things that we felt that you just can't miss. We ordered a beer, a water, the Khinkali, a salad, and Amber ordered mushrooms, and that entire bill was 32 gel, plus tip. It's a very affordable city. We're having a great time. Coming up next, we are going to Baku, Azerbaijan, and then leaving Baku, we have a very interesting form of transportation that we've never taken before. If you want to see that, subscribe and follow along.
We keep telling you guys things are going to get crazy, and we thought they might be a little bit by now, but no, just wait.
Just wait.
Did you see her massage my boobs?
Yeah.
That's never happened. So, there's that.